Stop copying me. So tomorrow is school, so let's pack. I got biscuit. Oink, oink. So this is what the biscuits look like. This is my lunchbox. So this brand is from Smiggle. I put one because I can't finish two. So I finally got some accessory for my Stanley. So guys, there's another Stanley. We have the pink version. It's fake. We just got scammed. Do you guys think this is fake? Guys, the straws are so different. The other one is very white. This one is clear. Fake alarm. Now let's get Doritos. How do I say it? Now let's get our Dorito. So yeah. And guys, today, so there was a mom and 3 kids. 2 was a girl, 1 was a boy. They were strangers. And one of the girls steal a hair clip. She literally stealed it. I didn't want to be a snitch, but I'm sorry. I told it to the social media. And guys, I'm a little bit of a snitch. I'm a 4th grader, so bro. So this is what it looks like. Then let's get butter waffles. Guys, don't worry. That was just a flag. Now we got yogurt. This doesn't fit, so that's fine. And let's get Actimel. Okay, this is snack break. Let's take one of this. Green. That's it. Do you guys want to see my money? That's it. Bye.